Hi students, good morning, welcome back. So today I am going to start a new subject, that is web technology. Web actually it is one of the important subject. If you want to develop any software product, first thing is you need basic concept. So in this web technology we are going to cover the topic like that are useful for creating software. In order to develop software we need some programming concept that we discuss in this web technology. Let us start the introduction part of web technology. So before knowing different software programming language that are related to web technology, the first thing is know about the basic concept is internet. Internet is tied up with web technology. Everyone knows about internet. We are living in the world in which everyone using internet. Just we are using internet, but some of the people don't know the history of the internet. In this video, we discuss about the history of internet and the basic service provided by the internet, search engine and the uses of internet. Let us start the definition of internet. Internet is a network. Obviously, it is a network. Yes, it is a network of computer which links many different types of computer all over the world. Once again I am saying internet is a network of computer which links many different types of computer all over the world. Next topic is history of computer. The history of computer, first the router is ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency of US Department of Defense. It is one of the wireless network is WAN. The ARPANET was started in the year 1969. Once I am saying ARPANET, the router of the internet history is ARPANET. The main use is US Department of Defense. It was started in the year 1969. The internet evolved from the basic idea of ARPANET for interconnecting computers. Initially, the ARPANET was used in research organizations and universities, used to share and exchange of informations. In between 1869 to 1987, ARPANET was used. In 1989, the US government intended the restriction to use the internet available for commercial purpose. So internet is rapidly increasing the number of users. So internet is also called the world largest network. In use, 30,000 networks are using 10 million computers and more than 50 million computer users in more than 150 countries. The computer scientists Vinton Cerf and Bob Kahn are credited with inventing the Internet Communication Protocol we use today, and the system referred as the Internet. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules used in the Internet is called protocol. Bob Kahn and Vint Cerf. The first workable prototype of the Internet came in the late 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, or Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The ARPANET was adopted by TCP/IP on January 1, 1983, and from the research began to assemble the network of network. Internet is otherwise known as network of network. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Let us discuss it later. Let us see the introduction of internet. Internet is a medium of connecting to one computer to another anywhere in the world with the help of dedicated routers and servers. Once the computers are connected to each other over the internet, they can send and receive information like video, graphics, and voice and text. Internet number two or more computers connected together. We can share the information like text, audio, we can etc. The internet travels through the high-speed optic fiber cable through which bulk data can be transferred from one computer to another. It is not owned by anyone, although several organizations from the world over collaborate in its function and development. Today, internet is a public and self-sustaining and can be accessed millions of people around the world. Some of the popular internet services are electronic mail, video conferencing, online banking and social networking, e-learning, internet free calls, internet TV and e-groups etc. Let us see first one is electronic mail. Electronic mail. Electronic mail is sorted as email. It is an easy way of sending and receiving message from one computer to another anywhere in the world. It is one of the fastest mode of communication. Next one is video conferencing. Video conferencing is a system that allows face-to-face conversation with different people who are sitting at different locations. Internet is used to transmit audio and video data between each user. Online banking. Online banking allows customer to use banking service without visiting a physical branch. It is also referred as internet banking or e-banking or virtual banking. Social networking. Social networking website functions like an online community of internet users that provide a virtual community in which the members with common interest may communicate with each other. Next, advantages of internet. Information on almost every subject is available online. The ability to do research from home and information various levels of study is available at children education can be found. The ability to send and receive emails, online shopping, online banking, platform for video conferencing with anyone around the world. You can use social media applications like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. You can learn online by doing freelancing job, selling online, etc. We can listen to the music during our ideal time. Once again, the advantage of internet, information on almost every subject is available on the online. எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு எல்லா what are the things நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குமோ இன்டர்நெட்டில் we can take it. Ability to do research from home, அப்புறம் ability to send and receive email, message for both business as well as for personal purpose sent through the email, online shopping, அப்புறம் online banking can be done using internet, platform for video conferencing with anyone around the world. We can listen to the music during our ideal time. Some of the disadvantage of internet. There is a lot of wrong information on the internet. Anyone can post anything online. Some people are getting addicted to the internet. They're damaging the health, leading to obesity and diseases. Due to wide variety of information available, one tends to waste a lot of time on the internet. Hackers can create virus that can get into one personal computer. There are hundreds of vendors selling similar kinds of products of various brands. One get confused with too many choices. Using the internet is not free. It costs many to use the internet. Hackers can use the internet for stealing one's identity. One often tend to purchase those extra items that we rarely need. Such purchases are a waste of money. Once again, the disadvantage of internet. There are a lot of wrong information on the internet. Some people are get addicting to the internet and became damaging to the health and obesity and other diseases. Obesity is nothing but the fat. Due to wide variety of information available, one tend to waste a lot of time on the internet. Variety of information கிடைக்கிறதுனால இன்டர்நெட்லேயே உட்காந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம டைமை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிடுறோம். Hackers can create virus and get one's personal computer and steal the informations. There are hundreds of vendors selling the similar kind of products of various brands. One get confused with too many choices. என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா ஃப்ளிப்கார்ட்டு இல்லாத அமேசானில் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அந்த ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கம்பெனியில் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ரேட் இருக்கும். வி ஆர் கன்ஃபியூசிங் டு சூஸ் மெனி சாய்ஸஸ். யூஸிங் இன்டர்நெட் இஸ் நாட் ஃப்ரீ. இட் காஸ்ட் மெனி டு யூஸ் த இன்டர்நெட். Hackers can use the internet for stealing one identity. How data travel across internet? Data travel across internet in packets. Packet can carry maximum of 1500 bytes. The packet will travel from one machine to another until they reach the destinations. As the packet arrives, the computer receiving the data assembles the packet like a puzzle, recreating the message. Because I am a sender, receiver who is another person. When we send the message to the receiver, the sender knows the receiver address. In computer, the message will be sent in the packet. The message will be broken into small packet and will be reach the destination correctly. What is network? Network in computer science, a group of computers and associated devices that are connected by communication facility is called internet. Network is a interconnected collection of autonomous computers. In another way, when two or more computers join together, so the capable of exchanging information, the form a network. What is the purpose of internet? Sharing information, sharing device such as scanner, printer, etc. Need for internet. Resource sharing. Through a network, data, software and hardware resource can be shared irrespective of the physical location of the resource and the user. Reliability. A file can have its copy on two or more computers on the network. Reduced cost. Sharing resource reduces the cost. Fast communication. Information can be exchanged at very fast speed. Why is the need of networking? We can share resource sharing, reliability and reduce the cost. It can be a fast communication while using internet. Evaluation of network. In 1969, the US Department of Defense started the ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The goal was to connect different university and US defense. People exchanged the information and played games, expandedly the rapidly. So, the network has been developed. In mid-1980s, the National Science Foundation created a high-capacity network called NFSNet. Allowed academic use and private business. Many private companies built their own network, which were later interconnected along with ARPANET and the NFSNet to form the internet. ARPANET was shut down in 1919. The government funding for NFSNet discontinued in 1995, but commercial service can into the scenario which are still running the internet. Internet is a wild word. Network of computer network. Once again, internet is a worldwide network of computer network. How does it work? Most computers are not connected directly to the internet. They are connected to the smaller network எல்லா கம்ப்யூட்டர் டேரெக்டாக இன்டர்நெட்டில் கனெக்ஷன் இருக்காது. குரூப் ஆஃப் கம்ப்யூட்டர் தான் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, ஒவ்வொரு நெட்ஒர்க்காக கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி டிஸ்சிமிலர் நெட்ஒர்க்கு பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா கேட்வேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. They are connected to smaller network which are connected through gateway to the internet backbone. What is gateway? Gateway is a device that connects dissimilar network. Different types of network are there. Local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, campus area network, storage area network. A backbone is a central interconnecting structure that connects one or more networks, just like the trunk of tree. How does internet work? At the source computer, the message to be sent is broken into small parts is called packet. சோர்ஸ் கம்ப்யூட்டரில் மெசேஜ் வந்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் அனுப்பும்போது என்ன அந்த மெசேஜை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி விட்டுருவாங்க. அந்த ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுற ஸ்மால் பார்ட் பேர் தான் பேக்கெட். ஈச் பாக்கெட் இஸ் கிவன் இன் ஏ சீரியல் நம்பர். ஒவ்வொரு அந்த மெசேஜை ப்ரோக் பண்ணுறது பேர் பேக்கெட். அந்த ஒவ்வொரு பாக்கெட்டுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், நம்பர் இருக்கும், சீரியல் நம்பர். For example 1, 2, 3 etc. All these packets are sent to the destination computer. Destination computer யாருக்கு ரீச் ஆக போகுது அந்த மெசேஜ் பேர் தான் destination computer. The destination computer receives the packet in random order. இப்போ நான் பாக்கெட்டை சோர்ஸ் கம்ப்யூட்டர்லேருந்து 1, 2, 3, 10 ஆர்டராக பண்ணுறேன். destination computer destination computer எப்படி வாங்கிக்குவாங்கன்னா 10, 8, 7, 5 பாக்கெட்டில் ரீஅசம்பிள் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு சீக்வன்ஸாக கிடச்சிரும். The packet are reassembled in the order the no and message is restored. How it functions smoothly. Every computer connected to the internet uses the same set of rules for communications. The set of rules is called protocol. The set of rules used in internet is called protocol. Communication protocol used by the internet is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. IP வந்து Internet Protocol. The Transmission Control Protocol is responsible for dividing the message into packets on the source computer and reassembling them at the destination computer. The message packet send பண்ணுறதுக்கு யார் protocol தேவைன்னா TCP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. IP, Internet Protocol. It is responsible for handling the address of the destination computer so the packet is sent to the proper destinations. Future of the Internet. Interspace. Interspace is a client-server software program that allows multi-users to communicate online with real-time audio, video and text chat in dynamic 3D environment. The future of the Internet is Interspace. Interspace is a client-server software program that allows multiple users to communicate online with real-time audio, video and text chat in dynamic 3D environment. Network Interface Unit. It is shortened as NIU. It is a device attached to each workstation and server. Helps to connection with internet. Whenever the internet connection is needed, we need NIU. Each NIU has a unique number. Identifier is called node address. NIU is also called terminal access point. Each NIU is given unique physical address called MAC address. Let us move to the next topic is IP address. IP means Internet Protocol. What is IP address? An IP address is a 32-bit sequence of zeros and ones. It is a way to identify machines on a network. In a network, each machine has a unique identifier, a numerical label. Once again, IP address is a 32-bit sequence. To identify machines on the network, it is a unique identifier. IP usage. Usage of IP is used to connect another computer. But whenever we send a letter to our friend, we know the address of the receiver. Then only we can send the letter. Likewise, in networking, you need IP address to connect another computer. Used to connect another computer allows transfer of files and emails. What is Internet Protocol? Internet Protocol used for communicating data across a packet switch network. It is a packet switch network. Service provided by the Internet Protocol is addressing and fragmentation. What are the two services provided by the Internet Protocol? Addressing and fragmentation. The two parts of IP address are network part and local or host part. The two parts of IP address are network part, local or host part. IP structure. IP address consists of four sections. IP structure எத்தனை செக்ஷன் இருக்கும்? Four sections இருக்கும். What are the four sections? Each section is a 8 bits long. ஒவ்வொரு செக்ஷன்லையும் எத்தனை இருக்கும்? 8 bit long. Each section can range from 0 to 255. For example, 128.35.0.72. IP structure consists of four sections. Each section is 8 bit long. It ranges from 0 to 255. IP structure. IP structure consists of 5 classes of IP address. They are namely A, B, C, D, E. Once again, the IP structure consists of 5 classes. They namely capital A, capital B, capital C, and capital D and E. The class A reserved for governments, class B reserved for medium companies, class C reserved for small companies, class D is reserved for multicasting, class E is reserved for future use. Once again, the IP structure consists of class 5 A, B, C, D, E. A is used for government, B is used for companies, C is used for small companies, D is used for multicasting, and class E is used for future use. DNS. DNS means domain name system. What is the purpose of naming? It is address used to locate the object. Names are easier to remember than numbers. ஒரு பேர் வைக்கணும், நம்பர் இருப்பது நேம் இருந்தால் we can recall it, we can guess it. You would like to get the address or other object using a name. Domain name system provides a mapping from name to resource of several types. Domain name. Domain name is the way to identify locate computer connected to the internet. No two organizations can have the same domain name. A domain name always consists of two or more components separated by period called dots. For example, www.yahoo.co.in or www.facebook.com, etc. Once a domain has been established, subdomain can be created within domain. For example, the domain for the large company could be val.com, and within this domain, the subdomain can be created for each of the company regional office, bombay.vnl.com. The structure of domain name: last name, subdomain, dot second level domain, dot top level domain. Once again, the structure of domain name is last name dot subdomain dot second level domain dot top level domain. For example, vijay.bombay.vn.com. The top level domains are classified into three categories: organization or generic domains, geographical or country domains, or reverse domains. The top level domains are classified into three categories. They are generic domain, country domains, and reverse domains. Organization or otherwise known as generic domain. It consists of three character code which indicates the primary functions of the organization or the generic behavior. Most commonly used top level domain: .com for commercial organization, .net for networking organization, .gov for government organization, .edu for education organization, .org for non-commercial organization, .mil for military organization, .int for international organization. Next one is podcasting. Podcasting is the preparation and distribution of audio files via the internet. பாட்காஸ்டிங்னு என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா ஆடியோ ஃபைல்ஸ் இன்டர்நெட் மூலம் அனுப்புகிற பேர் தான் என்ன பாட்காஸ்டிங். இந்த பாட்காஸ்டிங் இஸ் ஏ காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் ஐபேட் அண்ட் ப்ராட்காஸ்ட். காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? In internet, anyone can distribute his thought and opinion to the world. It is very simple to produce podcast. Once again I am saying podcast is the preparation and distribution of audio files via the internet. Podcast is a combination of iPad and broadcast. It can be done using internet. It is very simple to produce podcast. Vlogs. The term blog is derived from the term weblog. A blog is a type of website usually maintained by an individual. It contains regular entries of commentary, description of event, or some other material such as graphics or videos. Blog also mean to maintain or add content to blog. A typical blog contains text, image, and links to other blogs and other media related to this topic. There are different types of blog: personal blog, corporate blog, and mob blog. The most commonly used blog is personal blog. Next, advantage of blog. Blogs allows you to share your ideas and views. The cost of blogging is very low. Blogs allows you to speak directly to your customers. Blogs are positive of getting feedback as a reader reacted to piece of information and suggest your story ideas. Advantages of blog. Blog allows you to share your ideas and views. The cost of blogging is very low. Blogs allows to speak directly to your customer. Blogs are positive of getting feedback as the reader react to certain piece of information and suggest story ideas. Some of the popular blog websites are www.wordpress.com, www.livejournal.com, www.blogger.com, www.tumblr.com. Next one is Google Drive. Google Drive is an online file storage device developed by Google. It allows you to store files digitally using cloud service across computer, laptops, and mobile device. The files stored on Google Drive can be accessed and edited from any device. It offers 15 GB of free storage space. It also offers various paid plans from 100 GB to 30 TB to increase the personal storage spaces. One is nothing but Google Drive is an online file storage device developed by GoogleNet. It offers 15 GB of free storage space. The file stored in a Google Drive can be accessed and edited from any device. The Google Drive can be accessed offline by the Google Chrome browser using Google Chrome app. User can change privacy setting for individual files and folder, including sharing them with the user. Advantage of Google Drive. Access your files anywhere. Google stores your file on the server. You can easily access them wherever you are as long as you can access to the internet. Easy editing of the files. Google Drive gives an instant access to the Google document, a suite of editing tools that allows you to edit and make changes to your files. Easy access with various devices. The files stored in a Google Drive can be easily accessed using various devices with internet connections. Easy to search your file. Google Drive has its own efficient search engine that allows you to find information about a topic easily. It also provides the feature of searching by keyword, filter by file type. Easy upload and storage. Google Drive helps us to easily uploading of any type of file such as document, drawing, photos, videos, audio, etc. This advantage of keeping our file online is that it eliminates the need to send a file as an email attachment or it save it on another storage device. Share your files with your friends. Using Google Drive, you can share your files with others easily. Open discussion. You can create and reply to the comments to get feedback and make files more collaborative. It can be done using commenting directly on files. Free disk space. Google Drive provides 15 gigabytes of disk space with the facility to upload, access and files, sharing files and free of cost. The plan can be upgraded as per requirement. Free access of web-based application. Google Drive also gives free access to the web-based application for creating documents, presentation, spreadsheets, drawing, etc. Disadvantage of Google Drive. What are the disadvantages? Hacking of files. Hackers can hack or rename important data, or they can install virus into your server and destroy your files. Once again, the disadvantage of Google Drive is hacking of files or important data. Hackers can hack or rename important data, or they can install virus into your server and destroy your file. Uploading and downloading speed. When millions of people upload or download together, the speed slows down. Thank you.